Explore the ultimate Six Sigma Yellow Belt and Lean Mastery, which unlock manufacturing process efficiency. The transformative online course at Udemy, which equips you with the two most sought after skills in manufacturing in just 5 hours. Scan the QR code or click the link below to get this course for USD 12.99 using my coupon rate and become the expert in both Six Sigma and Lean. Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. This course is meticulously designed and split into two essential parts. In part 1, we will dive into Six Sigma at Yellow Belt level, covering its introduction, the define, measure, analyze, improve, and control phases, and wrap up with a project review and interview preparation. Part 2 is dedicated to practical lean management, where you will learn to define value, identify waste, and master the flow of value stream along with the essential lean tools and techniques. Why is this course different? It's crafted from the ground up to be concise yet comprehensive, focusing on the most critical aspects of Six Sigma and Lean. This means that you can complete it in just about 4.5 hours, ready to apply these powerful tools and techniques directly to your work in production without the confusion of longer and more theoretical courses. Ideal for both newcomers aiming to break into quality engineering and experienced professionals looking to enhance their expertise in this course, encapsulates my extensive experience in manufacturing process improvement and optimization. Drawing on my role as a subject matter expert, I've refined my insights into this comprehensive program, focusing on essential skills and knowledge that truly makes a difference. So, if you are ready to take your career to the next level, click on the Buy Now button and let's embark on this incredible journey together. Your success story starts that moment you enroll. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Join me now and transform your professional future.